Cruising over 50? In the next 15 seconds, you'll unlock the #1 secret smart cruisers use to guarantee a stress-free start to their adventure before they even pack. Welcome back to Cruise Like a True Adventure, where we help you navigate the seas like a seasoned pro. I'm your host, and today, we're revealing 7 crucial things smart cruisers over 50 do to save money, stay healthy, and sail smoothly. Don't miss these insider secrets for your next cruise. This is your ultimate guide to pre-cruise planning for senior travelers. Let's dive in. Our first tip, and it's a big one: book early, save big. This isn't just about getting a good deal. It's about getting the best deal and the best experience. When you book your cruise well in advance, sometimes 12 to 18 months out, you unlock prime cabin choices. Think about it. Those perfectly located balcony cabins or accessible rooms, they go first. Early booking also often comes with fantastic perks like onboard credit, free drink packages, or even complimentary specialty dining. For us over 50, having that flexibility to choose exactly what we want without rushing makes all the difference. Plus, if prices drop, many cruise lines offer price adjustments, so you truly can't lose. Don't wait until the last minute and settle for what's left. Next up, and this is absolutely crucial for cruisers over 50, your health and meds checklist. Before you even think about packing your swimsuits, make sure your health is cruise ready. First, travel insurance is non-negotiable. It protects you from unexpected medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Trust me, it's worth every penny for peace of mind. Second, get a doctor's note for all your prescription medications, especially if you carry injectables or controlled substances. Keep all medications in their original containers and pack them in your carry-on, not your checked luggage. You don't want to be without vital meds if your bag gets delayed. Also, make copies of your prescriptions and keep a list of all your medications, including dosages and your emergency contacts. A little preparation here can prevent a lot of stress later. Our third smart move is to communicate your accessibility needs. If you or a travel companion require any special accommodations, whether it's an accessible cabin, a shower chair, or assistance with mobility aids like wheelchairs or scooters, it is vital to inform the cruise line as soon as you book. Don't assume they'll know. Call their special needs department directly. They can confirm availability, ensure your cabin is properly equipped, and arrange for any assistance you might need during embarkation and disembarkation. This proactive step ensures your journey is comfortable and truly accessible from start to finish. Tip number 4, research your itinerary like a detective. Don't just look at the port names, dig deeper. Understand the port times. How long are you actually in each city? Are there tenders or is it a dock? This impacts your time ashore. Research excursion options before you get on the ship. Are you looking for a leisurely bus tour, a cultural walking tour, or something more adventurous? Knowing your options allows you to pre-book popular tours, often at a better price, and ensures you don't miss out. Most importantly, for us over 50, it helps you pace yourself. You don't have to do everything. Pick 1 or 2 key activities per port and leave time for relaxation. Your cruise is a vacation, not a race. Here's a smart strategy many seasoned cruisers swear by. Consider a pre-cruise stay. Arriving at your embarkation city a day or 2 early is a game changer, especially for older travelers. Why? It completely eliminates the stress of potential flight delays, lost luggage, or traffic nightmares that could cause you to miss your ship. Instead, you arrive relaxed, refreshed, and ready to board. It also gives you a chance to explore a new city, adjust to any time zone changes, and start your vacation feeling calm and collected. It's a small investment that pays huge dividends in peace of mind. Our 6th essential step is thorough document preparation. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people overlook the details. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date. Check if any visas are required for the countries you're visiting. Some destinations have specific entry requirements. Make physical copies of your passport, visa, cruise tickets, and travel insurance. Keep one set with you, separate from the originals, and leave another set with a trusted person back home. Even better, create digital backups. Take photos of all important documents and store them securely on your phone or in a cloud service. This way, if anything goes missing, you have immediate access to vital information. Finally, our seventh smart move. Set a pre-cruise budget. This isn't just about onboard spending. It's about everything leading up to your cruise. Factor in the cost of flights, your pre-cruise hotel stay, transportation to the port, and any pre-booked excursions. Once you're on the ship, be mindful of onboard expenses like specialty restaurants, drink packages, spa treatments, and souvenirs. Many cruisers find it helpful to allocate a daily spending amount. Knowing your budget beforehand helps you make informed decisions and avoids any unpleasant surprises when you get that final bill. A little financial planning ensures your cruise is enjoyable, not just expensive. There you have it. 7 crucial things smart cruisers over 50 do before they even pack to ensure a smooth, stress-free, and truly enjoyable adventure. These tips are designed to help you maximize your experience and avoid common pitfalls. Now I want to hear from you. What's your #1 pre-cruise tip? Share it in the comments below. Your insights could help countless other cruisers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Cruise Like a True Adventure and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Because next time, we're tackling 5 things you don't want to do on a cruise. You'll want to avoid these mistakes. Until then, happy cruising.